I was rummaging through the shed the other day when I came across my son's old radio control car. We bought it him roughly 10 years ago for his birthday. It is quite old now obviously, but they do still sell it. It was an e-Revo VXL and you can still get them online now. As you've seen in the intro, it's seen better days. So I thought I would have a go at fixing it up. Before I do anything with it, it needs a good clean. Now it's clean, let's have a look what's broken on it. So the rocker cover is broken at the top where the bar joins, and both the suspension arms are broke, top and bottom. On the other side, it doesn't seem too bad, there's nothing broken. As well as the parts that are broken, it's not got a shell. I don't know where that is. It was not in the shed and it's not with the car, so I will have to order one. And there's a few other parts that are a bit worn and tatty. The wheels and the tyres have seen better days, and the front bumper looks a bit tatty and needs replacing as well. But I'm going to repair what's broken before I start upgrading the parts. And what you're going to notice along this video is that I'm not a professional, and this is the first time that I've ever tried to fix a car, remote control car up, so I don't have all the correct tools and I don't have brand new tools because it's not something that I need. So some of the tools that I'm going to use are just unconventional for this kind of thing, so I've got to adapt what I've got in order for me to be able to do this project. And we're just checking here now over what needs to be done. I'll start by taking the underplate off so I can get to the pins for the suspension arms. Once that's off, I'll work on the toe link bars. Has to be removed at both sides for it to come away. Now I'll take the pins out for the suspension arms. The arms are still connected at the ball joint. And then switch to using a drill because it's quicker, and just unscrewed the ball joint from the suspension arm. Take the blue plate off at the front, but I couldn't do it because this bumper was still on. Once that's removed, can then get the blue plate off and pull the other pins out. This is the other ball joint being removed so the arm can come away, and then that's it, it's removed, and that's the other one removed. I actually didn't need to remove both sides because there was only two broken. But I just decided to replace them both with the new arms. Now replacing the bar, connecting that back, blue plate back on for the pins for the suspension arms. That was quite fiddly to get these in. At the bottom it's two separate pins, and at the top it's one long pin. Now all the components are tied down, it's time to put the bumper back on over the blue plate. Once that's back on, it's time to put the bottom plate on. Now I've fixed, to test it, we'll give it a quick run in the garden. It seems to run okay, the steering's fine, and the car is still quick, so the batteries are good. Now I've done the first test drive, I'm going to take it on some more suitable ground. As you can see in them clips, the car runs really good. I've ordered a shell. I'm going to wait for that to come and then have a go at painting it. I'll look at making another video when the shell comes, and I'll keep you updated on any new parts that I get for it. If you like this video, please drop us a like and a subscribe. It does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.